Hey everyone, it's Justine and welcome to a new video tutorial. Today I am working with the Hedgehog Hollow December box. It is a subscription box for this month and the partner is Pretty Pink Posh. You can get a sneak preview of the stamp set there that I showed you. It comes with this exclusive Pretty Pink Posh stamp set. It comes with the coordinating dies for that stamp set, a Happy New Year script die, an exclusive sequins mix from Pretty Pink Posh, as well as several other various bits of paper to help you make a variety of projects. Now, due to piracy issues that have been recently occurring, I'm not going to show everything in the box on screen, but if you join the Hedgehog Hollow Facebook page, you'll definitely see them all there. Now I'm going to get started by stamping this in my Misty. This is the champagne bottle, and I thought it would be cute if it exploded sequins that come in the package. So the sequin packs was my original inspiration for the card, hence why everything is pretty much black, silver, gold, and that is why I decided to use the colors that I did instead of making a traditional dark green champagne bottle. Now I do have some exclusive deals for you this month if you'd like to pick up this box or any of the other future Hedgehog Hollow subscriptions or any of the past ones. It's completely up to you. So I'm just going to do my stamping here, and then I'm going to get started with my COPIC coloring, and I'll chat about some of the details. So if you've never heard of Hedgehog Hollow before, it is a subscription box, as I mentioned, and you can get them in increments of 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, I believe, or 12 months. And then you also have the opportunity, if you'd like, to buy one-off boxes if there's any leftovers at the end of the month. There's not often leftovers, so don't wait to get that box because you might be disappointed. But this month, there are several available if you love this stamp set. It's such an amazing value. They retail for $39.95, but there's always definitely more than $40 worth of product in each of the boxes. And each month has a different partner, so a different stamp company that partners up. So that's super fun too, so you get a nice variety of stamp styles, as well as different, maybe some exposure to some new companies you've never heard of. So this month there are 2 ways to save until December 31st. So you can save 10% on a new subscription of the December box with code HOLIDAY10, or you can save 30% on the rest of the store with code HOLIDAY30. This is valid until midnight on New Year's Eve. Completely up to you what you'd like to do. So I am coloring this using some Copic markers, N3 or 4, 6, and 8, as well as W3 and W1. So as you can see, I lost some of the footage, so let me just explain what I did. I went ahead and I stamped the Pop Fizz Clink. I also colored several of the areas using a really beautiful gold shimmer pen that I totally recommend picking up because it is so sparkly and fun. Now I'm going to show you how I add sequins. This is a pick-me-up tool. You can see that the end detaches, so it becomes almost like a surgical tool. I have already added a little bit of glue to my cardstock using some liquid adhesive. I'm going to pick up the sequin using the gummy end of the pick-me-up tool. This is now called a QuickStik tool. And then I just simply use my left hand, which is holding the pick, and I use that so I'm able to lift off the sticky part without any hassle. This is a super fun tool to be able to use for attaching your sequins, and I have a lot of success with it. Now I didn't want to show me attaching like 50 sequins onto this card, so I'm just showing you a couple here and how I use the tool, but you kind of get the picture, and I tried to have a variety of the black, gold, and silver. Without paying too much attention if I had 2 gold next to each other or 2 silver, I think more of a random look looks a lot more fun. And I tried to make it look like the champagne bottle had exploded these sequins, so I tried to keep that direction in mind of the liquid pouring out. Now I wanted to do one other very fun, quick tip with you, so you can see all the shine on that card, including all the gold. And I'm going to add some more shine because it's not shiny enough for me yet. And you can see my camera set up there as well as myself. Hello. And this silver paper from Tonic, I'm obsessed with it. It comes in the box, so you can give it a try. It's super thick, really excellent quality, and it's a mirror cardstock, so super shiny. But I don't like to waste a huge sheet of paper when I'm only going to see the border around my card. So what I do is I grab my paper trimmer here, and I go ahead and cut a rectangle out of the middle, and I leave about a 1/2 inch border surrounding my card panel. So this one here measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And now I'm able to set that rectangle for a future project, and I can glue my card panel on top of this, because I'm going to glue it onto a card base later, so there's no reason for me to use that entire sheet of cardstock. And this for me comes in handy when I'm using any sort of cardstock that's specialty, like shiny paper or glitter paper that's a little bit more expensive than your standard cardstock. So I'm now folding up my card base that measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. It's Neenah Solar White 110 pound. There are also card bases included in the December box, and they are a little bit thinner than the one that I'm using, but they will definitely work for your needs. And I'm going to add my frame here on top and just making sure that it's nice and centered. And over on the edges, I don't see any white. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my card panel directly on top of that, and I've already glued it off screen. So that's the end of my card tutorial today. I will have all the promotions as well as links to the subscription boxes and the supplies I used in this video down below in the video description if you'd like to check them out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out any of the suggested videos I have either at the end of this video or in your sidebar. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I hope everyone has a lovely time celebrating the new year. Bye now!